Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me a message off one of my videos how they could figure out a living hinge, the amount of wood they need for the curvature. And surely they're using a living hinge for structural and then they're going to veneer over it, I'm guessing. So you've got the shape of your violin, and I'm just going to say this is a pretty flat part right there. So I'm just going to draw a 2-point line from like right there to right there. I'm going to take the virtual statement delete key. I'm going to delete everything. Now I'm going to take my lines away, and I'm going to click on that curve, and I'm going to go object, and I guess it's already a curve. We can see right here it's a curve on layer. So then you can go to Windows, Docker's Properties, and right here is your curve. So that length of that living hinge would need to be, of course this is real little, 3.40.66 inches. So you would just have to do that, you know, for the other curves, and I'm surely using it for structural inside the violin. But that's how you find out the curve of that living hinge. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.